Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In this video, I will show you how to fix WhatsApp keeps closing in iOS 18. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your iPhone. For restart your iPhone, it can fix minor glitches. And press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time. And then slide this icon to right side for restart your iPhone. After restart your iPhone, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then open App Store and then search here WhatsApp. And here you can check your WhatsApp update. If it doesn't update, then update your WhatsApp. After updating your WhatsApp, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then the last way to fix your problem, uninstall your WhatsApp and reinstall it. After reinstall your WhatsApp, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.